If you have ever observed, all the asanas resemble the nature around us. For example, Vrikshasana, Bhujangasana, Uttan Mandukasana, and so many more. There are said to be 84 lakh asanas based on the 84 lakh creations of Mother Earth. Each of them were developed by the yogis by getting inspired by them. Now, the yogis obviously did not create these asanas for weight reduction or improving the flexibility of your body, but these were meant for much higher purpose. Like every asana teaches us something. For example, Vrikshasana, it teaches us how to stay grounded, how to let go of things which are not necessary for you, like how a tree sheds its leaves. Then if you look around, if you look at a dog, like see how he stretches himself when he gets up, giving us the very popular Adho Mukh Svanasana. So what do these asanas teach you? These asanas are not only meant for your physical culture, but they mean much more than that. So just don't look at the nature, observe it, learn from it, and keep learning and growing. Thank you.